Hello friends, welcome to Tech Tide. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of bananas from planting in the field to factory processing and packaging. Let's get started. Planting and growing. After the fields are prepared, the farmers strategically place banana seedlings on the cultivator, an efficient machine that plants them in the soil. Two farmers follow closely behind, ensuring the stems are properly aligned for healthy growth. A fine mist spray system is employed to maintain consistent soil moisture, a key factor in ensuring the seeds receive the right amount of water. Depending on the banana variety, it takes between 9 to 20 months for these seedlings to grow into full banana plants. Varieties like Cavendish may mature more quickly than others, while certain heritage varieties can take longer. Once the banana plants mature, a key step is helping the fruit clusters develop faster. The farmer cuts the tip of the banana bud, which allows the clusters to emerge more easily. As the female flowers bloom, some are pruned to focus the plant's energy on producing larger, higher quality banana bunches. Once fully developed, these bunches grow into bananas. Farmers selectively harvest the larger bananas while leaving the smaller ones on the stalks to continue maturing. Banana plant diseases. Like any crop, banana plants face challenges from diseases. Some of the most common ones include Panama disease, Sigatoka both black and yellow varieties, and Xanthomonas wilt, which primarily affect the leaves. To combat these diseases, workers remove infected leaves and spray pesticides like dimethoate and diazinon using both ground sprayers and aerial agricultural aircraft. These pesticides work by attacking the nervous systems of pests such as aphids, thrips, and mites, which are commonly found on banana plants. These control measures are critical for maintaining the health of large banana plantations. Harvesting bananas. A well-coordinated and efficient harvesting team is essential for large-scale banana production. Once the bananas are confirmed ripe, through measurement of their size and appearance, workers carefully cut the banana bunches from the plant. It's important that the cut is clean to prevent damaging the fruit, which could lead to spoilage. In larger agricultural areas, workers carry the banana bunches on their shoulders to the transport area, where they are hooked onto a rope line for automated movement. This rope system quickly transports the bananas to the washing station. In remote locations where machinery cannot be used, traditional manual methods are employed, making the process both efficient and labor-saving. In larger agricultural areas, workers carry the banana bunches on their shoulders to the transport area, where they are hooked onto a rope line for automated movement. This rope system quickly transports the bananas to the washing station. Washing and initial processing. At the washing station, the banana bunches undergo a thorough cleaning process. Fine water sprays remove any dirt or germs clinging to the banana's skin. Workers inspect the bananas and insert soft cotton paper between each layer to prevent bruising during transport. This ensures that even during rough handling, the bananas maintain their quality. Factory processing. Banana processing factories are usually located near banana fields to prevent spoilage, as bananas are highly perishable. Once the bunches arrive at the factory via the rope line, workers immediately remove the protective cotton paper. Next, the bananas are measured, inspected, and washed again with high-pressure water jets. After the second washing, experts cut sample bananas to check for freshness, texture, and ripeness, confirming the quality before moving forward. During the final washing, the larger banana bunches are cut into smaller sections for easier handling and packaging. Scissors are used to divide these bunches into 2 or more pieces, narrowing the stems to fit the packaging trays. Workers ensure that each section meets the specified weight before sending the bananas to the packaging line. Banana packaging. Now, let's look at the packaging process. Workers place the bananas on a sealing conveyor line that feeds them through a sealing machine. This machine carefully seals each bunch to prevent damage during transport. To further protect the fruit, a chemical solution is applied to the cut stems, preventing infection at the exposed areas. In the container packaging room, sealed bananas are placed in large paper containers lined with polyethylene. Workers ensure that each row of bananas is cushioned by layers of polythene to minimize movement. Once the containers are filled, a vacuum machine removes air from the polythene, which helps preserve the banana's freshness. The containers are stamped with the company logo, date of manufacture, expiration date, and serial number before being taped shut by hand. This manual process ensures that the bananas are securely packed and ready for transport to markets worldwide. Making banana chips. In a separate section of the factory, workers manually peel the bananas, leaving only the edible white pulp. The peeled bananas are then pressed into a grinding machine, producing thin banana slices. These slices are moved to the frying area, where they are submerged in hot oil until crispy. After frying, the banana chips are transferred onto a rotating disc, which extracts excess oil, ensuring the chips are light and crunchy. These chips are then passed through a seasoning machine that enhances their flavor with different seasonings, depending on the variety of chips being produced. Banana chip packaging. The freshly prepared banana chips are sent to the packaging room, where an AI-powered machine ensures each packet is filled with the correct weight. These packets are automatically sealed and stamped with essential information, such as the production date and batch number. Workers then collect these packets and pack them into large paper containers, ready for shipment. Final stage: transportation and export. Once all the bananas and banana chips are securely packed, they are moved to storage or loaded onto trucks for transportation to markets around the world. These containers are handled with care to ensure the products arrive in perfect condition.